Thanks so much, Scott. And as a neighbor, Scott and I found out recently we were neighbors. You have to come to a football game this fall. Watch that kid. I'm going to change topics a little bit and talk about manufacturing jobs and solar manufacturing and protecting the manufacturing base in the United States. This is a picture of my company's corporate headquarters in Rochester Hills, Michigan. It is slightly northwest of Detroit. And as you might imagine, we have been able to hire many folks out of the automotive industry as they went through their particular economic challenges recently. We do all of our manufacturing of thin film solar laminates, and I have a sample here if anyone's interested in seeing what that means. We do all of our manufacturing in Michigan at a variety of facilities. Our Auburn Hills 1 and 2 plants were our initial manufacturing facilities that we've expanded over the years. There's corporate headquarters again. We do R&D in Troy. The Greenville 1 and 2 factories were formerly Electrolux manufacturing facilities. Electrolux, as you may remember, was a car part manufacturer that operated in the U.S. and sold a lot to General Motors and Ford. They pulled out of the United States several years ago and closed their plant in Greenville, Michigan, which has a population of about 8,000, 4,000 of which worked for Electrolux. And at the time, Uni-Solar was able to convert the Greenville Electrolux facilities into solar manufacturing facilities. We worked with the local community college to retrain many of the workers and rehired them as solar manufacturers. And my favorite story about that facility is that when I first went to work for the company and visited the plant, they told me this great story, and I said, "Isn't that terrific?" And the plant manager said, "Yeah." And he said, "The only problem is our folks who work here can never wear their brand shirts out on the streets of Greenville." I said, "Really? Why not? You would think it would be just the opposite." He said, "Because when they do, they can't get home on time because all of the residents of Greenville want to stop them and thank them and tell them their particular story of how the company was able to really save a town that was under great stress." So I just tell you that story as a way to illustrate what maintaining and protecting even the manufacturing base in the United States and turning it into a clean technology manufacturing base can do for people in economically distressed areas.